to Diamond Mind High Income Skills Training. This is designed to help individuals scale up and to also be able to scale up. Buraola Majid is my name. I'm a digitalpreneur, helping individuals to have startup online or take their existing business online, make it thrive. I'm also a wealth and wellness coach, and I'll be giving you valuable information on this section that will change your life forever. Pay maximum attention. A lot of information you're going to be getting here is not what I was taught in school. Neither was this what I learned from my parents. I actually have to learn this because I didn't know anything about this some period ago, some times ago. But I knew it's very important because I know the world is heading somewhere, even before the pandemic. And I have to sacrifice a lot, spend a whole lot of money, take courses, home and abroad, invest thousands of dollars, millions of naira to acquire this. So you want to pay very close attention and take big advantage of this. We're going to start with module 1. Why are we talking about mind when we're talking about this skill? I think skills should be digital skills and all. Yes, whatever it is you do, it's very important to understand that the mind plays a major role. Whether it's digital skill, whether it's anything you do, if your mind does not believe in what you want to achieve, you're going to work this big and you're going to achieve next to nothing. So it's important to understand that our mind is the most powerful asset we have been given by Almighty God. So we'll take a quick look at this, a sneak peek into this. Whatever result we have today or want to have is actually dependent seriously on the action we take with our body. Some actions we take or action we don't take is what gives us the result we're having. And if we want this to change, action must also change. But this action actually depends on something else, which drives the action, which is called paradigm. It's actually called programming. The way we've been programmed from birth in the environment we grow up is called some kind of programming. This programming actually let us even take action sometimes or a lot of times against what we want. A student being in school and they say, I want to come out first class, but the same student will not attend lectures, the same student will go for parties, the same student will not study extra. You see, that programming is actually making that student to act against the results he or she wants. And that's what may determine what happens. But this paradigm also comes from somewhere, from information, from knowledge, society. You can't be great, you can't do this, you can't do that. That is where it comes from. So same paradigm will always guarantee the same results. You must alter the paradigm if you desire to achieve improved results. So that means it's something very, very important, very dear to us to achieve success in life. A good analogy, your self-image is a cybernetic instrument. And here, a decision to make is made to diet to cut down on weight. But in that person's programming, what is programmed there is my parents are overweight, I'll be overweight for the rest of my life. That's what it is. Now, the action that will be here will be in line with being overweight. So even though the person actually comes ahead and a person who's overweight goes on a diet without altering or goes to gym without altering the self-image up here, any weight loss, which is what happened with that effort, will be temporary because the programming will bring that person back on this line. This, what is here and what is here is always equal. So here, overweight is what is there. Anything that will contradict being overweight, no matter how close the person is, will be moved away by the programming and the person will end up being overweight. That's why a lot of people will say, I've been working out, I've been in the gym for so many years, and this, I just always gain back the weight. That is their mindset and it continues to rule them unless they change it. The same thing for success, the same thing for prosperity. We already have the knowledge and the power to accomplish most anything we want. However, we have not developed a clear understanding of how the power and the programmings are formed and how they control habitual behavior, even sometimes against what we want. And that's the biggest flaw there. And this is one key thing you're going to be able to know in the masterclass section on this. Therefore, we frequently do not do what we already know how to do. There's superior knowledge and there's inferior results. This is causing confusion and frustration. And because of that, there are men today trying to dress like women because they think that's the way out. There are young guys trying to do rituals. There are some doing internet fraud, and there are people coming into politics to take public fund thinking that's actually the way out. It's just a confusion. Wealth does not come from those things if you have checked it. You just have to understand your paradigm, know what to adjust, and then your result will change tremendously. This is the greatest challenge. The cause of dilemma is ignorance, the biggest cause of poverty. And this is the road to ruin. This is the universal poverty strategy. This is keeping a lot of you poor. The result of the reality. The reality at this point is probably that person does not have money. The family, they are poor or something like that. And then what do 99% of people do? They take this reality and they use it to feed their mind again. Because they complain about it and using a lot of energy around it, they form this, feed this place again. Then that will also translate into what would be here in the programming subconscious mind, which is saying you can't amount to anything, you can't be wealthy, your family is poor. Now, that will be what will now control the action. Even though this person physically tell you, I want to be wealthy, once what is here is poverty or financial struggle, the result must be financial struggle or poverty. And that's why the action here will not be consistent with, even if the person takes the right action, so to say, the result will remain the same. And this is something a lot of people do not understand that is keeping them the same. For things to change, for sure, you have to change. You and I have to change. There must be that paradigm shift. And when that is done, a whole lot of things will change. Even for our country to change, we all have to change as well. So saying that about the mind, isn't that powerful? Let me know in the chat box if that's powerful, if you have gotten some great value there already. In the first few minutes we are here, let me know. I love getting feedback. It tells me what I'm doing is right or not. I love getting feedback. Let me see in the chat box if you've gotten value. Let me see there. Now we'll move to sales and marketing, or sales stroke marketing. Sales is the general term, is what is common, what we all grew up to meet. And this is primarily focused on your thing. You're focused on your thing more like, okay, got value. Thank you for the feedback. So your thing like, I'm selling phone, and then all I'm telling you is buy this phone, it's good, it's nice. I'm just kind of focused on my thing. I just want to sell and make money, period. Period. And now the other one, advancement has come, got value, that's great. I'm happy to hear that, is marketing. Marketing is focused not on my thing and I think I want to sell. Eventually, I want to sell, but it's focused on who? My prospect. I'm considering, okay, you live in Nigeria, you need a phone that has a strong battery. So I'm talking about him more or her more. Okay, you need a clear camera, this is it. Or you live in Nigeria, you also need something affordable. I'm thinking about my prospect, I'm talking about my prospect. And there, you will get more results. But let me not judge, let me not assume, let me see in the chat box, which one do you think will make more result at the end of the day? Is it sales? Is it marketing? Let me see that. Sales or marketing? Sales or marketing? Let me see which one you think will actually make more wave, make more progress over time. Let me see. Okay, marketing. I'm saying marketing already. Marketing for sure. But let's take it one step further. And in the modern world today, it's not just marketing. We want to look at attraction marketing, which you can sort in for ATM. Attraction marketing. This is value-based. You lead with value. You lead with great value. And the value here, we can call it two things like that. One, we can call it lead magnet. You give something so valuable people are paid for, but you give it out to them for free. Of course, sometimes in exchange for their leads and their contacts. And the other one is tripwire, which is something that's supposed to cost 10 times more, but then you give it for just a small amount of money, an irresistible offer. Now, why is this important? Because people online, there are a lot of people making noise online, there are a lot of people doing things there, but you want to make sure that you build rapport. How do you build rapport? With value, you can start building rapport very, very fast. Build rapport with the individual, they don't know you, they say, okay, this person is my, okay, let's say I don't know him, but look at, let's see what he's giving me. Wow, this is valuable. I would have actually wished I paid for this. We begin to cultivate trust. I think I can trust this guy. If I don't know him, he doesn't know me. If I've not gotten anything from him and he's giving me so much value, then this is amazing. This kind of person I want to deal with. You establish yourself as an authority, with credibility with the value you have given. Now they are open objectively. Now you can educate them on result they're looking for, or what they want, or the pain they want to avoid. Then you qualify and you disqualify to let know you are not there to serve everybody, you're there to serve high quality people, high quality prospects. Then finally, you offer your solution. And the result they want of their desire, that the pain they want to avoid, we're talking about, and you tap into their emotion about, this is the solution. It's irresistible. So let me know, between marketing and ATM, which one do you think would do better now and even over time? Let me see in the chat box quickly. I want to know so that I'm not assuming any opinion. What do you think? Let me see that. What do you think? We're looking at model 2, and on model 2, we're going to look at online advantage. ATM, fantastic. Why is this exceptionally important? The online is the new world today. You can connect with anybody anytime as fast as you want. On Facebook alone, there are over 2 billion people. A major fraction of the whole world is on Facebook. So if you don't take online advantage, and if all the people you want to have, your ideal customer, your prospect, everything, your client, they are there, why won't you take advantage of that and serve more people? Again, when I say advantage here, I actually mean having the opportunity to serve as much people as possible, faster than ever before, without any boundary. The world has become a global community. If you don't understand leverage, you're going to work too hard. If you don't understand how to do this, you can be there working hard for no reason. And that has to change. That has to change. Very, very important. That has to change. And here, we're going to look at this quickly. Effective social media marketing. Now we talk about online. How can we do effective? Should I just come and say, come and buy this phone like majority of people are doing and getting frustrated at the end of the day? No, I need to understand, one, who are my audience? Who do I want to serve? Who are my audience? I should know them, the age, the gender. I should know their pain, their desire. I should know a lot about them. What results are they looking for? You know, what information are they already searching for? And with that, I need to create social media channel, because then I will now know where do they hang out, what platform are they on, and I'll create social media channel based on where they are, and I'll create compelling content based on their pain, based on their desire. Then distribute the text, the video, and the audio on social media, which will get to their attention. Then I engage in social media discussion with them as they click and as they do all those things. And then eventually I will evaluate and analyze the result. When you do this, you begin to get progressive results, and then you can go through the process again to get better even the next time. And that's amazing. The traffic sources we have, because whatever you have, whatever you do in business, what is very, very important is that there must be traffic. People must see what you have. Very important. So traffic sources, just to mention a few: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn is all there, and a lot more. But then we're going to look at 2 ways by which you can deal with this traffic. You can deal with this traffic organically, or can also deal with this traffic by paying. You want to pay and reach some specific place even faster. Organic is the way by which you're going to reach a lot of people. Highly qualified people get their attention, but we're not going to spend a penny. So we're going to look at organic, and maybe partly, I just mentioned some few. So let me talk about the paid quickly. For the paid ad, you must have a Facebook page, business page, and then you must go to the ad section, and then you can create an ad. But as you do this process, one of the things, you'll be knowing this deeper in the masterclass, one of the things you want to make sure you do is to have attention. Call the attention of your prospects. Who are they? Attention professionals, attention married men, attention married women, attention mothers, attention whatever. Call their attention like that or in another way. You also want to tap their interest. Mention their interest so that they just know you've called me. Maybe, for instance, I'm hungry, you say Majid. And now you say, who wants to eat food and be satisfied? Then I know I'm the one you're talking to. Then finally, you want to do a call to action. Do this and do that to get what you're looking for. So that's just a quick summary on the paid ad. But for the organic, you're going to do some certain things. One is you want to post. And when we say post, it's not just about post something of value, but there are many ways you can do. Post something of value, people engage with that. One of the things you want to do is you want to identify groups where your ideal prospects are hanging out, things you are passionate about too. You want to identify that. And there are so many groups on Facebook. So you join the groups, you be a good guest there, respect people, contribute if they have questions, answer questions. And then also at the same time, what you also do else is that you actually also want to make sure you put some sifting questions there. It would also be something of value for sifting questions. Let me see the network while I can quickly show you something in that respect. Just very, very quickly. So I'll make the switch, but let me just stop sharing this, and then I will share again. I will share this screen again. Get a way to get this minimized. All right, so here, let's check quickly on organic traffic. Let's see what we have. Okay. So check there, you see groups, a lot of groups, like for instance, yeah, I don't really watch too much football. I watch tennis, and I'll show you an example what I mean. Let's check groups. So let's check groups quickly. All right. All right, so groups here, let's check. There's one group here on tennis. Where is it going to? Let's check this group. We are, okay, let me just type tennis, which is the game I love, for instance. So you see tennis warehouse, we are tennis world. So let me click on this. I click on that, and that's a group. So when you're part of this group, you join, you answer their requirement, and you are there. This is a group with 39,000 members globally. So I want to visit this group. And when you get here, you can see what people have written. You can answer to posts. This is a nice cut, for instance. So I can just come here and like, and I can say here, nice cut. You get it? Nice cut. And I enter, and that's entered. So I posted on that person. You want to engage, post, comment, like people's posts, and all the rest. Those are the things you want to do there. And then you also want to, at some point in time, you actually want to do, actually, if you check this, I posted this on October 9th. And I asked, who is your best tennis player on and off court? And these are comments, 139 comments. That is 139 potential people I can relate with. I hope you understand what I mean. That's amazing. So this person, okay, then there's a reply. I love and respect this. So more response, and like that. The more I engage, this will get to 200, 500, and a whole lot of number. That's amazing. This is organic. So now what can I do? I can go here, click on this person, and I send a message. Thank you for liking my post. Thank you for commenting on my post. And then we can create some rapport. And then I'll send a friend request. And then the person loves to have interaction, we interact, and then we can take this one. That is how to create organic traffic, people. That is how to create organic traffic. So let me get back to this slide, and then we'll go on from here again. So I hope you've seen how to tap into organic traffic a little bit, to post, to engage, to interact with them. When you interact with them, and the next thing you're going to do, you post, I am interacting with them, the number will keep going higher, then I can educate them privately on what solution I have, know if it's a good fit for them in our interaction, and then we can go on and do a whole lot. And this works for anything, whether you're into real estate, whether you're into product or service, it works for you perfectly. And that is just about that. And on module 3, automation is one thing, because in this world, you cannot keep up with the pace of how people want to know things from you about your business or what you do. Automation is key, and then there's bot and funnel design, there's lead generation and email marketing, and there's also website design. These things are actually there. But before we go on, let me show you something real quick on funnel design, and then you can see what is possible for you. I'm just going to show you what is possible through that. So let me get this down. And now I have to minimize this. And let me show you something I'm building presently for my diamond fit and recreations. And this I'm doing by myself. These are things you will know how to do by yourself. So let me actually get into this. This is diamond fit creation /active. So let me kind of copy this, and wish I could send this to you. When you open, you'll be seeing the same thing. This is to automate the process so that all clients can do all their things online. And that's what we're looking at. This is the power of automation, you know. So here, this is it. Let me just remove this. So see here, order today and get the 50% pre-launch discount and offer. And this is where they put their details. And that goes on here. And claim their spot. And if they want to speak one of our high performance coaches or instructor, they can click here. And that will take them to a WhatsApp business, which is actually mine for now. So that's Diamond Hub. That's my distance, you know. So that is happening automatically. And then you're not going to waste anybody's time, and that's going to make business happen. Then we have this. Then this coaching, we'll talk about our proprietary system. We'll talk about what we want to do. We'll talk about these basic breakdown steps of play. Will transform your game from starter to pro faster than you can ever imagine. Other now, they want to go that. Tennis Academy plus club, we have that also. Give them what they have extra. Then we also have the fitness place. We'll talk about it. Why is it important? We have the drone, BCP, drone celeb photo shoot. We'll talk about what's possible there. Then we'll talk about why Diamond Fitness generally. We'll talk about some few things there, and then they can click an order. So this will take them, payment is made, we receive a lot, everything is going on. This is just a quick show of the power of automation. That is what is possible when you have this access to this kind of information, or you have access to this kind of skill, and this is widely needed. Now, I want you to imagine for a second, how many businesses need this? How many businesses are out there that are actually struggling and they need this very, very fast? A lot, isn't it? A lot. A whole lot of businesses need this. Anywhere in the world need this. So it's important to have this skill and to actually make the most of it. Very, very critical, ladies and gentlemen. So then, at this point, I just want to finish up and say, how can you make money with these skills? Very, very important. These skills are very important, but how can you, let's say you now learn, because there's an offer for you to learn that at a cost. Now, to learn this, how do you make money from this? First option is you can actually work for someone. You can take your skills and go and apply, and you'll be employed and you'll be paid salary, and then you work for those people, you trade your time for money. This is the most common, but also the most limiting way to make money, even if you have the skills. Second option is to be a marketer, where you're actually going to be there, and what you want to do is to just market for other people, market for this business, market for that business. You're going to get some money made, of course, which is better than working for someone outrightly. That is still not the best of things to do, because the best is to have this skill and to actually own a business and use it to promote. Because whatever you are paid as a marketer, I promise you, is just a fraction of what is possible for you to make when you own your own business. So you need to own your own business. But to own your own business, there are actually also various ways too. You can go for the traditional business, whereby you need to get the office, get to pay the staff, all the expenses on you, a lot of overhead, and you are in debt already from the beginning, even before you make any amount of money, and then your blood pressure is going higher, and you have to go for more loans to be able to go on and go on, and you are frustrated all along, and the bank is chasing you. That's traditional way. That's the way to go by. Not the best, because there are better alternatives. And secondly, you can settle for just a small business that won't bother you that much, but then you also don't make much as well. That is still not the best. We're not going to live forever. You want to have the best of chance. But then I have a recommendation of a business model that will help you in so many ways other businesses will not help you. For instance, the overhead we talk about that kill a lot of businesses, you don't have to go into that. You don't need huge capital to actually do that. Let's see this quickly. Recommended business model will allow you to be able to enjoy all the benefits without the pain. One, you don't need huge capital investment, so you don't have to deal with banks and go and look for loan. You don't need that. You do not need that at all. Then you do not need overhead. You don't need to pay staff and pay rent and pay all those overheads that cost a lot of money. You don't need that with this business model. And this is also proven. It's also been done for you and it's proven. This is the model I've used to transform my life tremendously. I started out, I'm the last one in a family of 6, and my parents are hardworking. And when they were hardworking, I was watching as the last born, and I could see so much effort they put in, and I could see so little that happens, and I could feel their frustration, not being able to pay our school fees easily, not being able to give us any extra thing we want, not being able to save monthly, not being able to invest monthly, even though they are working so hard, even though they studied abroad. I could feel all those frustrations, and I was saying to myself, how does this not be my own story? Maybe you're in the same situation, you are thinking, a lot of people are thought and they think there's no way out. But I'm here to tell you there is a way out. I saw all this and that pushed me to be on a search to get an offer that will be unique. And I'm also thinking, well, I have this imposter syndrome, I can't talk on that. But I also noticed that this model will give me the chance to leverage on some certain things, and there are a few things I just need to learn and I'm good. And I was thinking, how am I going to, if I get married, like my parents are married, how am I going to take care of my own children? It was a big headache. How will I be able to have my own house? It was a big concern. How will I be able to ever afford a car if this is the situation my parents are in? If I continue in this way, I just knew I can't afford to go through what they are going through. I can't afford to trade my time for money. I can't afford to go for business that will be full of headache. So when I saw this model, it's amazing, and I took over. And now, with this, there's no risk, and you have the highest return on investment. Why? Because you don't need capital for space for offices or importing and exporting. None of that you do. You're not even going to manufacture anything. With this model, it's low risk, there is high reward. And it's also going to give you something so special to me, which is time and location free. My parents did not have that, and it was a concern. Sometimes they move me when they move, sometimes they leave me when they move, and we're not together as much as we're supposed to, just because of the fact that what they do does not give them that kind of freedom and that kind of advantage. Unfortunately, today, a lot of people are in the same kind of pain, serious pain as we speak, but they don't know. So you see people over weekend overdrink themselves and do a whole lot of things they are not supposed to do because they are frustrated. And a lot are actually there packaging and managing. That should not be you. We are not going to live forever. We have one life to live and want to live it the best. These were all concerns for me. But when I saw this amazing business model offer, it was a big relief because I knew a lot of things I'll be able to avoid it and enjoy life to the fullest. And that model today has actually changed my story. I've actually, through this model, today I can save monthly what most people, 95% of people will not earn in a year. Today, through this same model, I could actually invest monthly what most people will not earn in a whole year. Trust me. Today, I've been able to move from how will I buy this small car and that. I have 12 cars today. I've been able to buy 12 cars and it's huge. Through this same amazing offer, through this same model. And I'm not the most experienced person, you remember. From this same amazing offer, I've been able to travel internationally, enjoy incredible lifestyle 26 times, all expense paid. Through this same amazing offer, the worry of how do I ever have a building and that, I have access in and out of the country today. I'm giving my children the best of education. also possible for you guys, but you need to understand that there are models that will help you and there are models that will hold you down even though you have borrowed a whole lot of money. And this model I'm talking about, no huge capital investment, no overhead, you have low risk, high return, and then you also have time and location freedom. This model has allowed me to also touch a whole lot of lives. Has allowed me to touch a whole lot of lives. Has allowed me to help over 300 people to have 6-figure income monthly. This is an amazing model that works for me and works for a lot of people. And my goal when I'm recommending this model to you is that you don't have to go and look for what you don't have and put yourself in a tight corner and get frustrated all in the name of I want to do what is in vogue or something. This model will separate you from the rest. This model will give you a chance to move out of the 100% and you'll be part of the 3% that are doing amazingly well. I guess there's somebody who cannot hear some mistake. I don't know. Couldn't hear, but we have to go and go see the hand being raised, but it's okay. So if you are here and you like to know this model, you like to take advantage of this model, can I have a yes in the chat box? I like to take advantage of this model that is no huge capital investment, no overhead, low risk, high return on investment, time and location free, and it also gives you income that can go on even when you are no more. If you like to know, can I see a yes in the chat box quickly? Let me see in the chat box if you would like to know, if you like to take advantage of this model. Let me have a yes in the chat box. All right, I'm getting some yes. It's amazing. It's the best thing because nothing is more than missing an opportunity that could have changed your entire life. I'm going to end with this. You're going to see ordinary individual apart from me who took advantage of this offer and transformed their life tremendously. And that is why I'm going to show you this. I'll give you a chance to connect with the person that gave you this link or recording and get directed on how to take advantage of this amazing business model, unique business model, and change your life once and for all. Here's a young lady that took advantage of this some few years ago, had nothing. You see the way she looks, and then in a few short period of time, you see her life has transformed. Built a mansion, bought herself nice rides, bought another one, making impact, and a whole lot of other young people also crushing it and changing their life because of this unique business model that works wonders in people's lives. So whether you're open-minded, and then to cap it off, we also have a system that will give you a chance on this, learn these skills for free when you take this amazing business model, which is a double plus for you. And you can access this training program, Diamond High Income Skills Program, for free. You have it for free. That is valued at $400, 200K. And if you want to access apart from that, well, you have some discount, but it's going to be like 50,000 naira. But with this offer, you get it for free. And what you need to start this offer with is a small token, which you confirm from the person that gave you this. Can you see the transformation, guys? From nobody to somebody. This business model rocks. Trust me. Trust me, and you need to take serious advantage of this. Change your life once and for all. This is not the time for assumption. This is not the time for skepticism. This is the time to make a sound decision about having a great future. It has changed my life, changed your life, changed a whole lot of lives. It's your turn to also have your life transformed. Take advantage. Tu m'avais une fois m'aimer, puis tu m'as négligé. Je t'ai dit patient, baby, tu sais que j'ai de la vie. As I mentioned, the possibility here is endless, guys. The possibility is endless. So at this point, I'd like to appreciate everybody for showing up to your own future. I'd like to appreciate you for your readiness to participate in your own rescue operation. Now, this is a fantastic chance for you guys to really participate in your own rescue operation and change your life forever. You for sure know you can't wait for government. You can't wait for anybody's promises. The other alternatives that are out there will cost you several millions, too many risks, too many chances to fail. In fact, like 9 out of 10 fail. But you have a chance here that is done for you. Remove all the risk, high return on investment, time and location free, and change your life once and for all. Take advantage of this, and I can't wait to see you on the other side as I give you this thing, this amazing skills for free. But this is only for the first 5 fast action takers. Right now, you take action and you're in. All the best, guys. I can't wait to see you on the other side. Celebrate your success, celebrate your amazing achievements, and feel good and never need to wait for government for anything again. Thank you.